Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of our ADU journey. Today we're going to be walking through the critical phases of rough mechanical, electrical, plumbing, insulation, roofing, and exterior waterproofing. Let's go inside and take a look. Let's start with the rough mechanical systems. This includes everything related to heating, cooling, and ventilation, essential for maintaining a comfortable and healthy living environment. For this project, we installed 2 exhaust fans, one in the bathroom to manage humidity, and another in the laundry room for better air circulation. We also included a kitchen exhaust hood to keep the air clean while cooking. Usually, the mechanical also includes ducts for the HVAC system used for heating and cooling, but for this project, we opted for a ductless mini-split system, a modern energy-efficient solution for precise temperature control without the need for extensive ductwork. Next, we tackle the rough electrical work. This stage involves laying out all the wiring for the outlets, exterior and interior lighting, as well as installing the main electrical panel. After that, we do the rough plumbing. The plumbing is all about ensuring reliable water flow and drainage. This includes running lines for hot and cold water drain pipes and gas connections. Each line is pressure tested to guarantee that there are no leaks, and we carefully maintain proper slopes to ensure efficient drainage. After that, we have to insulate. Insulation plays a crucial role in energy efficiency and indoor comfort. We use high-quality fiberglass materials to insulate the walls and ceilings, reducing energy costs and minimizing sound transfer between rooms. Every gap and joint is sealed to ensure complete coverage. On the outside, we did the roof and the exterior waterproofing paper. Roofing protects your home from the elements and is a key component for your building's envelope. We installed the underlayment, flashing, and shingles with care, ensuring that proper ventilation and drainage systems are in place for long-term durability. The exterior waterproofing paper ensures that your home stays protected from moisture damage. We applied a house wrap, flashing tape, and high-performance sealants, paying special attention to windows, doors, and other vulnerable areas. Drainage systems are also installed to keep water away from the foundation. At this stage, the key for a successful project is complete. By carefully coordinating mechanical, electrical, plumbing, insulation, roofing, and waterproofing, we've set the stage for the finishing touches that will make this house a home. Until next time, thanks for watching and follow for more.